Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm your host from Tough Deck Builders Seattle, and today we're tackling a question almost every homeowner asks at some point. Should you choose a wood deck or a composite deck for your backyard? Let's start with wood. When most people imagine a classic deck, they're picturing natural wood boards, real grain, and that warm look you get after a fresh stain. Wood can be a great option if you like a traditional feel and you don't mind putting in a bit of maintenance over the years. With a wood deck, you'll need to plan on regular cleaning and every so often sanding and staining or sealing to protect it from moisture, sun, and everyday wear. If you skip that, the boards can start to crack, warp, or grow soft in certain spots, especially in a wet climate. Now let's talk about composite decking. Composite boards are made from engineered materials designed to handle water, sun, and heavy use without the same level of upkeep. They don't splinter like older wood can, and they're much less likely to warp or rot. For busy homeowners, or anyone who doesn't want to spend weekends staining boards, composite can be a strong long-term choice. You still need to keep it clean, but you're not re-staining every couple of years. So how do you choose between the two? One way is to look at how you actually use your outdoor space. If you like a natural look and enjoy working with your hands, wood might fit you just fine. If you'd rather have something you can mostly forget about after it's installed, composite might be worth the higher upfront cost. You should also think about how much sun and rain your deck will see and how much traffic it will get from kids, pets, or frequent gatherings. Another key point is the structure underneath the decking. Whether you pick wood or composite boards, the framing, footings, and railings need to be solid and built correctly. A great deck is more than just the surface you see. It's the beams, posts, and connections that keep everything sturdy and safe for the long haul. If you're feeling unsure about which way to go, that's completely normal. This is where talking with a builder who focuses on long-term durability can really help. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we walk homeowners through the pros and cons of each option based on their specific yard, budget, and plans for the future. You can reach us at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuildersseattle.com to ask questions or schedule a consultation. Thanks for joining us today on Deck Builders Seattle. If you found this helpful and you're thinking about a new deck or a replacement in your own backyard, we'd be glad to help you choose a solution that's built solid, built right, and built to last.